Processing ceramic style connectors. An optical fiber connector terminates the end of an optical fiber, enabling quicker connection and disconnection than splicing. The connectors mechanically couple and align the cores of fibers so light can be directed from one device to another. Ceramic connectors can be generalized as 2.5 mm and 1.25 mm connectors, with both available in single mode and multi-mode. The FC, SC, and ST connectors have a 2.5 mm ceramic ferrule, where the LC and MU have a 1.25 mm ceramic ferrule. In today's market, there's a large need for fiber optic connections. Common application uses include telecommunications, military, cable TV and internet, office, building interiors, optical components, and medical devices. Data centers and routing locations require thousands of connections. The consistency and reliability of these connections are improved by the use of fiber optic polishing machines. There are a number of different brands of fiber optic polishing machines, which all have the same goal: to produce high-quality surfaces to the required geometries. All machines have a fixture which hold the connectors with the tips of the ferrules protruding from the bottom of the fixture. The connectors can be held perpendicular or at a desired angle to the surface of the abrasive. Each machine has a rubber pad or backup pad mounted to the machine that the abrasive sits on, and the specifications of the rubber pad are selected to provide the desired radius of curvature, or ROC. The process for polishing ceramic fiber optic connectors depends on your polishing equipment, connector type, and end-user requirement. Let's start the polishing process after you have epoxied the fibers in the connector and cleaved the excess fiber. For denub and epoxy removal, the goal is to remove the sharp fiber nub and all of the epoxy on all of the connectors. Typically, a silicon carbide abrasive is used, such as our 3M brand lapping film 461X in 15 or 9 micron, because of the sharp shape of the silicon carbide mineral and its ability to remove the epoxy efficiently. Aluminum oxide or diamond can also be used, but typically these minerals are round or blocky and less effective on the epoxy removal, although the surface finish can be smoother. One should select a grade of abrasive which will remove the epoxy in an efficient time for your process. The grade you use in this step can affect the grade you need in the refining step. Silicon carbide and aluminum oxide are lower cost items and typically are single-use products, where diamond films are used multiple times. Products used in refining steps are typically diamond, although silicon carbide and aluminum oxide can work. Here we are using a 3M brand diamond lapping film from one of the 3M 600X series products. The benefit of the diamond is a smoother cutting product for the glass and ceramic on the connector end face. As you can see, the surface finish is cleaner from the 3M diamond product compared to other abrasives. The ultimate goal of this step is to produce a surface finish prepared for the final step. For multi-mode connectors, this finish can serve as the final finish. 3M brand final polish films are used throughout the world to produce the highest quality surface finish possible to meet all industry specifications for insertion loss and back reflection. For this demonstration, we're using a 3M brand lapping film 865X product. For the polishing step, an abrasive should be selected for quality, performance, ease of use, and cleanliness. When this process is complete, the surface should be free of scratches for the highest quality finish. Cleaning the connectors after processing is just as important as the polishing, and some sort of cleaning of the connectors will always be required. The process used should achieve a clean end face. If the connectors are not clean, they can become damaged when tested or put into service. Choosing the correct abrasives for the polishing process is important and can greatly improve long-term connector performance. 3M offers complete solutions for fiber optic connector polishing, with a full line of high-performance precision abrasives backed by the technical support of our experienced fiber optic specialists.
Visit industrialgeneralstore.com to learn more.